people what's going on, okay? On the system, I fixed up my body, so on the nose there's somewhere me I go. Me area go to my workplace today. I don't know, I go take a little dip into the ocean. I've been very sad from morning. I've been crying from morning. I won't get into why. That's my baby. But anyways, somebody sent me something at the post office. So I go pick up right now. I pick it up and show you. Oh, voila. Morning. Good morning. You have anything for Kavisha, Henry? Alright, leave my purse alone. I'm an ID. I'm an ID. Oh. Carrie's was so nice because she gave me on my live. Someone never see it because I delete the live by mistake. But when I on my live, I said I need back some hoop nose ring after the claim say me a double and knock out my nose ring. And Carrie sent me some nose rings. What? So then I pick up at the post office real quick. Oh my goodness, where is Irie? Oh, I'm just tricking you guys. See our uncle right there, so. Oh, this is my mother. Oh. Our uncle is come take her, but I got my package. So guess what, when time I reach out of my workplace, I'm showing up because right now we just head straight in our taxi because mommy should have gone to work long time right now. I think like after 10 right now. So when time I reach down, I'm pick on up me. Alright guys, we reached. I could have picked one up because I'm telling you say late right now, 5 minutes past 12. Irie, please don't break up the people them things, okay? I couldn't take it up, but I'm showing you. I'm showing you where we stop and buy corn curls, cheese bread, buy two of them, one for me, one for mommy. Guess what I buy this year to do that challenge there. You know, say $550 for this? $550. No, I'm not going to think about it. Moving on. Why I have one whole case of juice up here that I don't take up no juice, so I have to come on the road and buy juice. I'm just buy two of them little mats. Apple juice there, the next cheese bread, I'm gonna buy 2 mackerel. Because I have rice down, I don't know, I'm hungry, so I go, yeah man, I'll put a little rice and mackerel. And buy, no, I never, yeah, from man, my brother buy me one juice. I'm just I'm gonna put this in the freezer. I'm gonna show you Miss Irish, she even know why she won't stop pulling people in cupboard. So where you headed now? Where you headed? Yeah man, and when I'm about to go dry off. So I say I don't I always get the mango them from people. I don't get the mango them from later I'm showing, but right now we just reach and all sort of stuff. So I'm gonna change it off Erica. She does take herself already because when I eat Lays. When I eat Lays, why don't I let you blink so? I can't see it. When I eat Lays, I know say I forget some, so she takes some and mess up her white shirt. Anyway, I'm gonna change her off. You see her? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna change her off and we're gonna stay clean and stuff because I'm gonna take a little one dip in the beach. I'm never sure if I want to go, I carry the clothes just in case. Oh, I'm gonna show you the nose ring, them pick them up. I love them, but that's what they can go in my nose because I realize that my nose will kind of little. So I'm just hope they can actually fit. Yeah, the lady, I just make fun of my baby name, boy, a Bob Marley name. Hey, I'm gonna tell them something for joking at me. Just relax. Anyways, these are the nose rings. Oh, look how they're nice. I'm gonna try putting one right now. And she also sent me these earrings. Thank you, Carrie. I appreciate them. I'm not telling a lie. I'm gonna try putting one right now. Watch the angles. I'm gonna try putting one. May I try catching up somewhere, but I don't really see nowhere. Wait there. Let me see if. May I try catching up, but I don't have no way. I don't know if you catching up, so I'm gonna put you down. Okay, here we go. So So I want to open this. I got it hard to open. Carries, I really appreciate these because every time if I buy one nose ring, come here buy the stainless steel one, it cost me at least $400 one. I'm always a last them. I'm not last them one year. I appreciate them, I'm not lying. I'm gonna put in one right now. So see them here, anytime the package open. Nice. I like. Nice bag. So I'm gonna put in the gold one here. How am I do it? How am I check here? Oh Jesus. Ari, you coming to mama? What are you going to blame shower? Come here. Come here to me. Come here. Okay, no? Them hard. I'm honest. No, don't try and wet up yourself. You're gonna wet yourself up. Last time I carry in there, you never like it. So the silver one, pretty. Can I take out all them earrings here? Can you see when me reach? I just make myself comfortable, you know. I'm telling you, say, where's me I go down at the beach when I'm done. Near area, I go down at the beach. Last time I carry her beach, that same beach, and she never like it. So we're gonna see if like how she feel like she a big woman and she a what now. You hear me a chat here? You hear me a chat here? Guess what? I'm going to put in this and come back because... Look here now. I'm a niece bath suit this. I'm a niece bikini. And I'm a niece shorts. See the belly on the nose, that's nothing new. You know what I say? But Brittany, if you spin your bath suit, look here, just relax yourself. I never tell her this for left it in my drawer. You left it in my drawer, left it in my position. Therefore, I can't be blamed for anything that happened to it. But I just change off. I'm going to change off area now. And then we're going down to the beach. You feel me? Yeah, man. You know, I don't want to have another insecure talk. I don't know how I feel about that belly, I know. I don't know how I feel about that belly, but I'm not going to get into it. I'm just going to give myself some time because, like I said all the time, my body did an incredible thing. Bringing a whole human being into this world, you understand me? I'm now beat her up. I'm now beat up my body. So guess what? I'm going to show my belly. I'm sorry for anybody when I want to see it. I'm sorry for anybody when no want to see it. I'm not going to look on it. I'm going to change area now. I'm baby. I'm going to go to the beach. And guess what? I'm going to give you a look at property tour. So I'm going to see it already because I come down here already. I did vlogging. But I have a lot of new subscribers. Thank you guys. So I'm going to show you what I go on here, man. Soon come. The time cool, but together we get warmer. And I'm in same in a pajama. And never stick your pencil in. I'm a sharp and see you in funny. And you say, hey, boy, that's what me do. Tiny. Hey, you could have black string or child the magnet. We outside. Getting kissed by the sun. But guess what? I don't know what we look like. So I'm going to turn on the camera. I'm going to see what's going on. Wow. See the beach dogs out here, everybody. Wow. The last time you were down here, you weren't walking yet. And you hated the beach. I mean, eat it. Okay. Oh my, I know I shouldn't take off the shoes like growing at. It's not like a shower area. After you come out of the sea. What's on a look on pretty beach? On a look on pretty beach, wait there. Soon reach all the way. Two singular people in the water. Okay. I don't know if you can hear me at this point because the breeze is blowing me the under one tree. Yeah man, me the under one tree. So I don't know if you can hear me because I said the breeze are blowing. I'm supposed to can't tell. It breeze nice. So I'm going to dig area now and see how she like it. If she don't like it, I can't go stay down there because I'm not going to make she uncomfortable. But if she like it, then we can chill out in the water for a little bit. And then we'll come back and we'll do another property tour. Would I like that? I don't like that. Alright, I just walk out into the water a little bit with Irie. Put her down. If her foot touch the water, she not in that. So I said, alright, I could come sit down right just up on the shore And just make the water barely run up on her foot. Now she a run to go down in the water. But watch her. She said the water come and now she a run. But I'm going to scrunch she go down a little bit more. So the water kind of catch her. So she still say it's not so bad. Look on her. Like she afraid. Alright. Put your feet down. Ari not like that tall. Ari said no man, the water look like too much. Going down. You wanna sit? You wanna sit? No? She's afraid, so I'm just gonna make she stay upon me. But I'm gonna sit down a little bit and see if she will get used to it. I'm not think I can show much because I don't know how I don't remember if I take out my tripod. So I'm gonna sit down a little bit and if she get used to it then we'll show her. I take time to warm up to the ocean by drinking the salt water. Ari is warming up to the ocean by drinking the salt water. Why they put it right here, me? But anyways, me just they start splashing me and I show her so she can splash in it and play. So it look like she's not too afraid of it. I'm not gonna see what I go on. Hey, now look at my disgraceful toe. Them don't know already. I don't know. But enjoy the view. She's trying, but she not really feel it. Because every time she step down, I realize that the water run up on her, she jump back up in my hand. What? What's wrong? Huh? Water. Water. Water is coming. It's not so bad. Seats on your feet, it's not so bad, right? She's not having it. I'm still going to sit down a little bit. As long as she's not really through it and she feel alright in my hand, then I just going to stay a little bit. Until she feel like she's ready. Careful. So we just left down at the beach. I really like the sun. I stop eating. I really like the sun more than the sea. So we're gonna wash off right and look at something here before we go back in. Oh yeah, I'm telling you, I'm going to a property tour. Alright, hold on. Alright, I have to show you all the whole of Irie. Wait up, I just wash off the sun off of Irie. And let the whole of Irie here. Me I show you. But anyways, I come on. Way back around, so come show you the mango tree. Voila. Sweet, sweet mango tree. Mango tree sweet. Beg you something to eat. But anytime I may tell them they should look probably like me as a mad man. But this is the mango tree we get most of the mango. What the one your name again? I don't remember what mommy said the name. Alright, and this is the entrance. Mango tree right at the entrance. That over there, sir. What I can tell is the next mango tree, them one they are Julie. But them one they kinda done. All of the ripe one them done. And them green one they pan it still, but I just couple. So it's like one big property and all these houses have different owners and them like rent them out like villa, like guest house style. So this is the one where we in me and mommy. I don't know, I'm a mean, relax. Also one breadfruit tree. So in time I do the simmer upon the Sunday morning I roast like a breadfruit and I eat it with spread and mackerel, yeah. Somebody can walk, you have to go down at the beach. This is where we are going in a mommy little section, but me I go come around, yes. Come showing the little flowers. I love flowers, I love nature. Yeah man. Them think they are my type of thing. So you know, it's like a little tourist area. They're gonna make it real pretty like. I know. This is how we just walk go down at the beach, but look how the place is pretty and nice. Where's the sun a shine and bird a fly? Yeah man. But this is it. Some of these houses too are owned by people who are not renting them out, who just buy them for like just have them and once a time them come spend a little weekend and go beach and then them go back at them. They gone back to them actual yard where them live. And listen to me, and someone want to set it for me and my baby and my family, you know. And someone want to set it, you know, them things that keep me up at night time because honestly, I don't want Eric up struggling a life like me. Anyways, I not change the mood. May I come go back in? Don't tell me what me and mommy do. Me go take up mackerel, so me I go cook. Why am I not take up no oil? Me never know say no oil no down here. So right now me I wonder if me I go cook up that little pepper something there, eat it because I'm hungry bad. Alright, so like you can see, I watch my hair just come in, so I come wash off and look at my hair, it's soaking wet. Me just hope it dry. Because I want to wash off the salt water for hair properly because the salt water always burn up my skin and my face. Try to my face to start strip. So I don't want the salt water dry. And I will take her before she wet up the wall, please. Alright, we're there right, so I make the I made the spices. Look at me, Fred. You know, I'm not afraid of pepper, you know. But you see the extreme. No, mommy, it's hot. See it there? So me ask mommy say if she go eat it 50-50 with me. When I go, mommy, I try this seasoning. I have a bad feeling about this. Mommy say I have a bad feeling about this. Anyways.
And then this and this if you cook it.
Another one there.
Yes, I spice that in.
I sauce that's in there, no say I sauce for sitting there. Mommy spoil up me. Mommy spoil it. Because guess what? It come with sauce.
I guess you see me don't know to chew this sauce I liquid, you know. A liquid fish oil.
So not liquid that then?
No, you know, see a powder. A powder, that's why I don't know. A powder.
I feel like that's the pepper because the packaging. No man, that well let me think of the pepper. That they are supposed to pepper flakes, you know.
You want to share all this and they say soup base. The soup base is.
Yeah man, it's supposed to alright. Because the packaging come with a sauce. No, it's not a sauce. It come with two things, a seasoning mix and one which says like a pepper flake or something like that. So mommy put the seasoning mix in there, so we don't worry about the right thing gone in there. See that? Okay now.
My piece of this, I pepper this.
So anyways, when time this done, the water go strain off.
Add this of the pepper.
Well, me and strain off the water because you shouldn't put in there.
I pepper in there, I pepper this.
How you know how they make it? They make this and then they strain off the water and then they throw it in there.
So this and this is okay. And this if you boil with that.
Normally them strain off the water and throw it in the sun.
Yeah, but normally the pepper sitting the shell one is liquid. This one is powder. That's why I didn't know.
Because my niece buy it already. My niece did buy one cheesy one. Guess what? You see, if it's spoiled and I taste and if it's spoiled, I'm gonna buy one next one and make it tomorrow and try.
It not spoil only that's why you have the water pan this.
Me not drink the water. The people them normally make the noodles straight off the water and then throw the pepper sauce on it and eat it. You understand me? Me not drink the water, baby. So guess what? If you not taste, you know, then I buy back one. Mommy got taste me a while ago. Be sorry, you never sister nobody. Wait, let me do it good. Mommy put the noodle in there. What's mommy? Whoa! Alright.
So then
let me tell you something. Mommy not afraid of pepper. Mommy cook with pepper and then you see when time she done, she put one scotch bonnet pepper in a fair food. And every time she take one bite of the food, she take one bite of the pepper. So mommy eat pepper. Mommy not afraid of pepper. So if mommy a white and look the lady over there wipe her face, you know. So me tell her if you do the pepper challenge with me. Make it a challenge. The two we do it, anybody we done first. Anybody we done first get $1,000. I don't have my money. Anybody done first get $1,000. What you say? So guess what? Almost done. So now I go on.
And this is pepper sauce here from the powder.
So when time I don't come back and so I get away from the stove. Oh, I'm not gonna tell you no step, but you me so easily distracted. It's an electric stove. I want not just like this. Yeah man. I like the convenience, but you know see I have to have a little what them we call them like a 2-burner or something there. For when time light gone or something. Anyways, excuse me. When time this done, I come back. Alright, see the something here? See it here, I'm not cap. And the water depend it. I tell mommy, say, come here, son, and right, mommy have to come right here, so. You have to come right here, so mommy, and stop the unfair. Me nah do no $1,000 challenge with you.
Put in the something, so.
Hmm?
Do you want this? The other. No, that's not push at what there is.
Anyway.
Oh Lord, have mercy.
I notice that she got take up cup with drinks and ice for herself. In case paper and butter, I mean, she can't do it for me. Irie, mommy, I cannot start yet. So when you're unfair,
No pepper,
no pepper, can I eat? Okay. What are you eating, Irie? Alright. Eat there. What's that look like, pepper? Mommy just a drink it. I drink the water. And guess what? So more pepper seasoning the left. You baby put it up here, I say put it up here, but I put it up here, so she throw the extra pepper up here, so. No man, it's not bad.
That one is different way.
It's not bad. I feel like maybe the sauce they don't want to throw right panning.
No,
like how them do it?
A panning for two.
Guess what? I'm going to buy the cheesy one. They have a cheesy pepper one. My niece, they try it already. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. No pepper, man.
Hey. I choke it, man.
You know, get the water around until you're done.
I got pepper on my beard. I know you clear your throat, so. Oh, you clear your throat, so. The arrogance I do. I know the water in it too, so you think so you're done. Let me think you want that. Over here. Box off the noodle. $1,000 you want. I have to drink the water too. Irie?
In there, man.
Look, can you see me? I sweat with.
Guys. Guys. Okay.
Look here. I'm telling you something. You know, fear. Because first of all, mommy name pepper. Mommy name scotch body pepper. When I say mommy name pepper, I mean the pepper. Take the pepper so bite it like it's a cherry. That's what mommy name pepper. Oh, me for compete. You know, fear, I not give her no $1,000. You know, fear. You come like a sin for me.
Why you going to make different? You know you're going to have that.
No, Aaron. Stop, yeah.
Santa, you got one? Alright.
Open?
That's it, no, because you can't near me.
But I will air.
It's okay. If you do it there, you're going
Me a sweating out, you can't see
I'm
him.
not sweating myself if I wipe face.
Greet them done. Yeah.
Me not done. She not done.
Yeah.
You're going
Eric,
to
yeah,
buy one
you
more,
know.
we're going to do it the other way, fire. You're too wicked.
No, mommy. I guess so mommy start eat fear before me
I
too.
never started the water me that taste. When you start eat nothing, water me taste so too good.
I wonder if...
Guys, see this? See
No,
there?
no more.
See it there?
I'm not
It's been a
no more.
long time.
I don't want to be a man. I'm not no more. Come here, mommy.
Yeah, you know, when you be a man.
Mommy, you couldn't even care a little juice.
Someone gonna left me. I say that one. I go in with that juice already. You forget back so much.
I mean, you have to throw so much in there.
But
No, put it back here. My son come, I go drink this, I can't. I see I show me one show and say, my nose I start to run. And mommy I come tell me about to buy the next one, the one we name Bulldog. And do it again. I don't know about that. My nose I start run. I don't know about that.
If it didn't do like how we do this at the backside, that is a more challenge to me. Right now.
Wee. Where are you going? You want juice? We're so ready for go up in there with us. I sit down and go and chill out. I still a drink drinks. I don't know about me. But we're so ready for go up. I don't know, no one. My mind just dip on some lychee. My mind just dip on lychee. For me, I couldn't tell mommy say I feel for lychee. I can't find no lychee. What you got going on? What you up to? I read the writer said, kid a party with one white man. She laugh at the man. Anytime the man called to her, she run come over here. But nah, like, do more to sleep. More to sleep. I'm hungry. I can't know say I did hungry. But so bad I couldn't make the mackerel and rice. I did hungry and that little noodle something they come like it just give me belly ache. I don't put nothing in my belly. My belly ache. Alright, we left so with the rest it's all look drive. I don't look how Ariel go cling on for me. When I tell them that Ariel afraid of the car them and the bus them. When I know I make one leap on us, Ariel afraid. Like it's easy for frightened. Oh, what you do? Stand like me I tell. I can't stay with them. I have to cross the road later. Hey, my blessed, you know. I just the right to start complaining to mommy and say, look how I can't get no lychee. I say, I just look up at the fruit man stand and I catch the lychee from afar. So, yeah, mommy not go see much. I said, if I buy, you see right, yes or no? She was mostly tourists and sort of and buy friend them, you know, so the price them outrageous. So I will check and see how much feet still I really want the lychee, but I tell you no lie. How much for lychee? Eh? Let me see pound. Yes, let me see the pound. I don't want them one that will look like something wrong with them. Yeah, but it look like you reach a pound though. It look like you want one.
Like you want one.
You don't see it.
Don't you, sir? Like you know, a nigga. Eh?
Alright, give me. But know that one more lychee on it. Yeah, it don't reach the pound. A lychee?
I'm a lychee.
Somebody else say a lychee.
Eh? A Chinese get what
Yeah, but where them name? The Lychee. Alright, let me show you. See it here? Him say $1,500 a pound. I got Moby here and I buy. How much do you pay for $1,000 or $1,200? $1,000 for a dozen. Honestly, this look like it's worth it more to me. But I said the truck passed just a while ago, and if you see how Harry jump down, if you think I like me that till a while ago, I couldn't see it there. Anytime like a big bus or a truck pass with the whole heap of nice, Harry friend. But me, I want to eat too, Lychee. Harry, I got to eat too. Talk, I don't know, so everything what me I eat she want, and yeah, man, with the power we are go home, I know. So, I know we see where.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You do it,
Yeah.
Alright, people. So I just reach home. Yeah, it told him Lychee at 6:40 right now. I will drop her sleep and put her down. But unfortunately, I have to go wake her up because I have to go wipe her off if she go her bed. So I just put her in her granny. Listen, the Lychee them sour, but I don't mind. I still name them. And make me show you one dress that I buy myself. Wait. Yeah, I just buy it on the roadside. But can't bad to bad. I deserve something nice if I want it. So look on it, you know, I like it. It'll give me summer. You like that show?
Yeah.
It'll give me summer. You know, it'll give me on the ball off my head. And put on the fusion lash them. So $1,500 I pay for it. Mommy say no worth it. Mommy say this is $1,000 frock. But really and truly, $1,500.
$1,500 how much for?
$1,500 buy. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna close out the video. Okay, remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna continue eating some lychee. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.